Ever wondered what investment bankers actually do behind those shiny glass buildings and fancy suits? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Welcome to Imarticus Learning, your go-to guide for all things finance. Today, we are diving into the world of investment banking operations, breaking it down into fun, bite-sized pieces so you'll understand it like a pro in no time. And no, it's not just about wearing a suit and talking about big deals. There's a lot more happening behind the scenes. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is investment banking? Investment banks help companies, governments, and even individuals manage their finances in a big way. Whether it's raising money for a new project, helping a company go public, or managing big mergers and acquisitions, investment bankers are involved in all these major deals. Think of them as the superheroes of the finance world, but instead of capes, they have spreadsheets. Now, let's jump into the fun part. What do investment bankers actually do in the front office? Function 1. Deal making. The front office is where the magic happens. This is where bankers help companies raise capital. Imagine you're a company that wants to build a new factory. You need cash, right? So investment bankers swoop in, connect you with investors, and boom, you have got your funding. It's like a big financial matchmaking service, but with way more money on the line. Function 2. Mergers and acquisitions. Next up, M&A. This is where companies merge or buy other companies. Imagine two giant pizza chains coming together to create the ultimate pizza empire. Investment bankers help with all the negotiations, paperwork, and finances to make that happen. It's like setting up two businesses on a blind date, but with billion-dollar stakes. Now, the middle office is where things get even more interesting. These folks are like the safety officers of the bank. Function 3. Risk management. In finance, risk is everywhere. But don't worry, the middle office team makes sure banks don't take on too much risk. They analyze every deal and make sure everything stays safe and profitable. Think of them as the cool, calm heads in a room full of high-energy deal makers. They stop everyone from betting the bank on a wild idea. Function 4. Compliance. These guys make sure everything runs smoothly and by the book. No funny business. Imagine you're playing a board game with friends. Compliance is the one reading the rule book and making sure no one cheats. Without them, the bank could get in big trouble. Think of fines and penalties. Finally, we have the back office. These are the unsung heroes who make sure everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. Function 5. Trade settlement. When trades happen, the back office ensures they get completed. It's like ordering something online, someone's got to pack it, ship it, and make sure it reaches your door. They are the logistics team of the financial world. Function 6. Data management. Banks generate mountains of data every second. Back office folks keep all of that organized and accurate. Imagine having a closet full of clothes. Data management is like neatly folding and labeling everything so you know exactly where to find it. So, to sum it up, investment banking operations is a well-oiled machine with three big parts. The front office, where the deals are made, the middle office, where risks are managed, and the back office, where everything is processed and finalized. Together, they help companies, governments, and investors navigate the world of finance. It's like a huge team sport, and everyone's got a role to play. Now that you know how investment banking operations work, you're one step closer to understanding the financial world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content from Imarticus Learning. Got questions about investment banking? Drop them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. See you in the next video.